Happy weekend. Happy weekend to you all, my customer. Happy beautiful weekend. Please like and share, like and share. Like and share, like and share. Like and share. Happy weekend to you all. Happy weekend. Like and share, share. PC or Losby. PC coins or Losby. Hey, see Losby. You see the bomb shot. The Nika woman. See the Nika woman. See now all the bomb shots. If you get Nika there, put on your Nika, your bomb shot to slay the slay. See Nika woman now. You know you're scared today, oh. This one is scared today, scared woman. It's not the Nika. Looking good is good business. Any business you have, anything you have, you have to look good. Come and showcase your business in a way where you take trend. You understand now? I'm going to show you your call it dirty. Show example to your customer. You don't say look good. You understand? They don't want to marry. You understand? You need to look good for yourself. So let's go there. This is how I wear some PC coins. PC coins 14 inches. Are you going for this one? We get that for different lengths. PC coins 14 inches. They see the color. Ready for pickup. You like this one now? Screenshot now. As the trend for Airworld. The Nika babe. The Nika sexy babe. Are you there? Just use water or living conditions. See, this one are living condition and water. Now I miss here so. You want to make the coils pop out, just use water and living condition. Are you seeing it? Don't use and take wet time. If you don't get living condition, water is okay. Just put water for this kind of container where if you splash like this, you understand? Are you seeing it? Good to go. Like and share. Will they do sales or 20% discount? You get some head. Yes, this time says a bit. My customer say, well, you know, do sales. Not say, not true. Next time with this, so I don't remember. Goods where order never come, so that maybe be slow, but nevertheless, some few still there where I start the sale. So anywhere you want them, anywhere where you buy, 20% discount for you now. So Easter sales start from today. Till when it started finish? On the 20.
Let's see, on Tuesday for some more day.
It's all past Sunday night.
Yes, ma'am.
So till end of the April, we are on sales till end of April. So for all my customer, we garments, we special to my heart. God will bless now all my loved ones. We see they there, we see they support this family, see they there for us. God will bless all of you now. One love, peace and love for everybody. One love. So please like and share. Anyone you like, do a screenshot now. Do a screenshot. This one is 14, right? This one is 14. We have different length. This one is 16 inches. Are you going for 16 or you are going for 14? This one is 16 and we all of them you see them. More than see and this one is 18 inches. See 18 PC coils. So they are for coily. PC or nothing. It's not your regular PC. See the volume, they see the thickness. They see this is not your regular PC. Luxury PC coils. Yes, 18 inches. This one are 18 inches. This one are 16 inches. This one is 16 inches. See they see the pass. Are you seeing it? Customized 5x5. Are you seeing it? 5x5. If you want center pass, side pass, C-cut. But now see the part 5x5. You can do it center, you can do it side part, C-cut. Yes, your choice of styling. 16 inches, 18 inches, see 20 inches. Yes, soon at 20 inches, 5x5 too. Either center or side or C-cut. Are you seeing this one at 20 inches? If you wet her now, the thing, the more you wet her, the more the blend they drop. Okay? So let's go there. Are you going for the 16? You are going for the 14. You are going for the 18. Luxury or nothing. The nika woman, the skirt woman is here. Muna order now. Muna tell the wear the nika skirt too. Gege. Hey, who don't get nika and skirt they miss. Cause nika and skirt will make you look lost, make you look sexy, make you look sweet 16. Okay, so with the change now, not the one before now. Please like and share to your friend who are there online. No, we are doing 20% discount for Easter sales. So grab your copy now. So get some bone straight here. We will be 120 now. I will show now correct. So see now. All this one now, yes. So this card, I'm gonna come show me. See this one. All this one is 120. See loads, you know I want to give now for that price now. Before, you know how much I think they sell this one now. See so grab your copy now. Grab your copy now. If you see enter 110, if you see enter 100, if you buy like 3, if you buy 4 or 3, I'll give for 100k. See now. Are you seeing it? I'll give for 100 if you buy more than 1. Not if you buy only 1 and 120. But if you buy like 3 or 4, 100k. See, they see a normal price. You know how much I sell them before. See the here. Are you seeing that we have the gold, black? Yes, wine now. May I say wine don't? Okay, wine not there. May I see her? So they are here. See wine there. This one another one. Okay, fine. So we are on sale. This start sale. Are you there? So let's go. They're going to give me the change. So are you going for the 16 inches? Or you are going for this one is 14 inches. Sorry, this one is 14. It's going for 14. Or you are going for 16. Hey, what? Now the 16 inches I want to see and now. Do a screenshot now. May you send and give me. My WhatsApp number is there. Please like and share this video. Thank you for buying from Hairworld. God bless you and your family in Jesus' name. You guys will never laugh. Now they show me love, they buying hair for me. God will bless you now. Bless you now, family. 14, 16, 18. See 18. See me. See PC now. See Super SDT. They see the volume. Are you seeing it? I'm gonna do some C-cuts now. You have to get it to center. Where's C-cut? Okay, this one. Okay. I saw see this one at 5 by 5. Now see I will go and see cut. Are you seeing this one and see cut now? See they see and see cut. If you do on center, if you do on side, your choice. So are you going for this one? They see this one now. What length is this? You see this one is 14 inches. See 14. So they change as they do it before. No, they always change for now. They always change for the lady, for all my beautiful old wives. Yes, man. And they make me the potpourri. And they give me the vibe. See now, cynical woman now, the bomb shot woman now. So look at ready for pickup. See piano, see are you seeing the piano PC? Piano PC. Are you going for this piano PC? Ready for pickup. Piano PC. See now, see Losby now. See piano PC. 20% discount to Easter sales. Now just see living condition and water. If you not get living condition, you use the water. They see no another food. Just wet and soak and well. Make it drink water belly full. You see the vibe of this hair. Make it the goes where the breathe come out. Okay, all my beautiful ladies, all the slave queen for the house. You don't screenshot her. You don't snap her. You don't snap her. Yes, this is called piano. Yeah.
Rose, please write on WhatsApp. She's going to give the price there.
My number is there. My WhatsApp number is there. Anyone where you like, my lady, please just do a screenshot send to me. When I'm done with this live video, I come back to you. I reply everybody. Thank you for your understanding.
Presenter, speak well. Please write on WhatsApp. She's going to give you the price there.
Yes. Just screenshot her. Are you seeing it? Yeah. PC piano. Love me. Now me they run at the boss. The boss of the boss. The boss of the boss. Are you there? The boss of the boss. Look there. Boss of the boss. See, you don't get one PC, one color piece. You don't get that. You don't get one color PC. To slay the slay, to slay the girl, to slay the queen. Oh my, yes, now. Oh yeah. I bet when they put a screenshot too, because we have a lot here to show. So a lot is here for you guys, for all my beautiful Odogu wife, all the big babe now, the big girls. It's not for children, it's for the auntie and mommy. Yes, now I what you run and the boss lady. Now me now, the queen baby girl. I'm the queen baby girl. Are you there? Yeah. You don't snap her. Oh yeah.
We have it on frontal, we have it on closure, so anyone you want.
Just say what I want the frontal, what I want the closure, your choice. You see this color dark, it's not dark brown. You can't get dark blue, see dark brown. Are you going for the dark brown? Are you going for the dark brown? Dark brown PC coil, see. Looking good is good business. Are you there? Dark brown, see. Are you there? They see, you don't snap on.
We ship to everywhere, Rose. Everywhere. We ship everywhere.
Flight they go there, car they go there, keke they go there. See the front side.
We ship to Europe, everywhere. Anywhere you want.
Every minute posting now. I've been the customer where they post them, one of the comments say yes. Are you there? Oh, you don't snap her. Ready for pickup, please like and share. So I'm full frontal for you. Oh yeah now. No register. Come on this one. See this one, say I weave the front. See the way I say weave her. If you don't want time, lose and come on. If you want to slay the slave, weave her. If you don't want to slay the slave, lose it. This one is just the baby. The baby want to do the styling, okay? So use the extra one for the baby first. Water wet. They just to wet the water.
Our store is located at number 25 Airport Road, Vegetable Market, Benin City.
Yes, now beside Access Bank. Opposite Observer. Yes, Airport Road. That we the runner. You don't stand this one. Oh yeah now. When I do the motor, that animal will on the road.
Yes, you can come and pick the one you like yourself. You can come.
Yes, so This one is 18 inches and process, Abby.
Yes, ma'am.
18 inches PC coil. Nande. So this one is 20, oh no, sorry, 20 inches. Because all this PC coil has small to the pass. 20, still at 18. Okay. Are you going for the 18 or you are going for the see, this one is 18, 20 inches. Now PC the trend so the PC coils. Now me they run now, the boss, the queen mommy, looking good is good business. Look good, look good, look sexy, look good. Who want that made they die? They look good for yourself.
We ship to everywhere. If you want us to come and ship to Germany for you, will do it.
You don't see 18, 20. Are you ever at the 18 inches? 20 inches I want. Okay now. Alright now, have it. See the 20 and 18. 20, 18. Right, I want the 18 inches and the 20 inches. Yes, PC coil Omotola. Almost sexy. Piano PC coil.
Ma'am, February now, but they ask how much for shipping. So.
No, I know. You know, now DHL will tell us that one. DHL. We do DHL. So when we get to DHL, they will tell us the price. I can't just say it. Now, it's not that expensive though. It's not that expensive. So it's just a chicken money. 3 to 4 days, you just get them. Makana, they'll call you. When you are saying your address, say your email, they'll just email you, say your message, say your head don't arrive. 3 to 4 days, that be our posting. 3 to 4 days. Are you there? See PC almost sexy now. They see the piano PC. It's calling now. Who that?
No name.
Plus, I'm going to put the other my number for here. And I know they put this number for this. The mistake. Then they WhatsApp. Okay, that's the problem with the get. Order my number $2,000. I don't put reason now. And then I think I put on that WhatsApp. They go call the affect the. It's okay. Go manager like that. Oh yeah, now. Are you going for the piano PC? Almost sexy. For now. Hey, what is here for you guys? You dey see almost sexy. Hey, get. Hey.
Bro, write her on WhatsApp. She's going to give you the price there. Our WhatsApp number is there.
Water. Give her water for Belle. See her na PC almost sexy. PC coils. That be this one. I take one. So PC coils. PC coils Omotola. Oh. You don't snap her. Who be that?
Your number, man.
070.
Welcome. 070.
67. 32. 89. 43. Yes, carry go. 40 or more. Now, not that one. Hey, sir, I'm gonna confuse me for my own phone number. You don't snap for see almost sexy now. Hey! Yeah, this is a Motola Gala too. This kind of dress, I'm not like pictures. If you start this kind of finish dressing, you wear this kind of short, this kind of hair wash short skirts. You go put on motola sexy. You dey see her? With this my tiny leg. You see my tiny leg? This leg wey tiny finish. When I say wear short skirt, if I say wear short knicker, see I know they come together straight. You don't stop her. I remember that they give me hair. Nothing to dull your spirit. See another one again. Wine. See where I'm more sexy now. Why almost sexy? See when color PC quest or motola. You don't stop on gege. Hello. You don't stop. Everyone is always happy. The first lady. Oh yeah, now. Physics quest of Motola. They see the follow. They see ready for pickup. Hair by hair word, hair wig by hair word. The last do or nothing. You know where what here? Who can be your head vendor now? Who can be your head vendor? They see another afro. This one, I want my way buy him. That lady will buy him. So say, hey, what thank God though. See the guy wear the guy. Can you when I go walk when you wear the wig he say even though enough he say that's up he buy her water. So hey they will buy for I know how much they buy but this one will be small money. She value and pass all the odogu which she will buy because when she will see this one with your day ahead to walk the money till then. It's like a natural hair. But once you call this place for months see the way it is so. You miss her, you miss. You miss this one, you miss. Be too forward, trimmer for me, small not too forward. Anyhow, we tell what I'll do for you like that. You say too full, I just give her one kind cut thing. I mean, scissors and clipper. You don't snap her, oh yeah, now. Now who shall be this one with the wig? So what do they know with? The black one.
Let's see with that one.
Okay, now the black one where you stand up say I say hey, I whip this one now. So what they know we bring and come. For the wine. Or they give her different style. If you want to look right, if you want to look rugged, you rugged the wig. See the way I tell we ban so same wig, same hair. See this one now. I don't weave ban. Now me weave ban like this. And what I bet weave ban for me oh. Any style when you want, what I bet put on side parts. Do and just show my arm. I use this one there. For me, I wear this one with the non wig. Now. I know see her. Everyone is here. I need to trim this thing now too. Like all this one now, yes, see her. See the tip now. You don't use scissors. Give me scissors. Just remove and small. Yes, now come on. Don't use oil. Rub am. Use oil to rub it. Where's scissors? Did they come again? My scissors fit that basket now. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing? You wear some wig, maybe you don't see any rough one. Just stop, you just carry scissors, just remove the tip. They see her like this one now. They see her. Just the trim her from us. I need to do some maintenance for this one now. As I wear her now, I say yes, you need to trim some. I need to come do and say all this one, I don't like the way I see her. Once you better I carry a post for you, I'll do the maintenance same for you. My trim and they come the entire my body. I just want you in case you wear any of yours to say, don't use your hand to do one like this. Anyone way just to say rough, just carry on. Remove one. As they look you, they see the side where the tip for rough, where you don't like. Use your scissors, just take pick and come on. Carry go. See and carry go. Are you carry go? Carry go. Are you going for this one? I think a PC coin. So this one a PC coin. What length is this one? 30. This PC coin. You get the way this PC coin is. The 32 way take when they look fine, but get the way it takes there. Either 32 or 30. Yeah, this one is PC coins. Yeah. Are you going for this? This one is direct. Are you going for this? Put frontal PC coins 13 inches. Yes. Are you going for this? Ready for pickup. Yes, now. See wig now. See piano deep wave. Piano, you don't get some piano deep wave. I post this in few days. Don't be last. This week night poster. The thing be like rush. It be like which name one call this? The way they rush her. The way people take buy this one. Word I love this week. Word I love this. Word I love this. I love this. Piano. Deep wave, they see a piano. See a 5x5, come with 5x5. Are you seeing it? Now just water.
Number 25 Vegetable Market, Airport Road.
Just ask of word. You see and you see our symbol. Are you seeing our water? See our water. Are you seeing it? Just use water to one.
Our shop is located at number 25 Airport Road, Vegetable Market, Benin City.
Are you seeing it?
Beside Access Bank.
Now water. You don't order now. Looking good is good business. You don't snap and
we have it in black. Yes, we have it in black. The closure. Yeah.
Let me wear the frontal first. I'll wear the black.
Please write on WhatsApp. She's going to give you the price there.
This one is the frontal, the black of it. Deep wave. Like a chef for her, what the boss lady, the Mika woman.
Please write on WhatsApp. She's going to give you the price here. Write on WhatsApp.
When I get here, You don't snap her. The full frontal. Hey, I'm my beautiful queen. Toilet for now. You don't snap the deep way, 30 inches, yeah. 32 and 32 inches. I've never had a 10 on this inches though. Oh, give me the front, the closure. This one is the full front. Oh, sorry, my legs. See, now we wig gown. Now we wig gown, not be factory. See, 400 gram. Let me see, person 400 gram. See the thickness. Full frontal. Are you going for the closure? All of me, I wear my legs. See the center here, 5 by 5. Are you seeing? Hey! You don't snap back. We get all, you want full frontal, you want closure, it's there. Whoa. You don't snap the text. Hey! Who have breathed? Give me head. See loose, see loose coils. Come on. WAHALA, Baba. Are you seeing this here? Lose weight, body weight here. This here. Are you going for this? You see this lose weight, you see wet up. When you wet and the coil will see come back more. Are you seeing her loose or loose? Are you seeing the coils now? See her. Hey, wait, gallant, who water? And you tell no say now original. You see the coil will come out more. See her. Now loose weight. See her. You see her, but you see his water wet. See her. You give another fine coils. You see her. Now me the runner, the boss lady. Gege. You don't snap her. Take. You get all the color here. Wine, piano, black, it's here. Now me they run. You don't get this wine color deep way. Hey God. You don't stop her. Are you going for this wine color deep way? You dey see her 400 grams, the gala. Hey, what they need the full hair, see her now. Looking good is good business. If you do your business, you feel dirty, go enter your business and for your pockets. Like me. Maybe next video, then I'm going to go pass you. I don't send. You don't snap her. See her. Deep wave. Pour water inside. See her. Use water soak her, wet her. If you want to go out, can just carry your deep wave from wet and down. Softly hang and go back. Go they make before you finish. All the tea will come calm. See her. As they wet and they use your hand, they do it like this. As they wet her. And if you see come back for your party or anywhere where you wear and go, just see carry am, see wet and use your hand to release am. Normal when you sweat for back, that one are normal. Don't let anybody deceive you. You must get issue there. As you just see carry because sweat, you must sweat, except you don't sweat. Anybody they sweat for head, if you wear any hair, you must see a little issue. I'm telling you, even though you buy 1 billion hair, you must get them. As you just say come from your party or your outing, anywhere where you go, carry water, just put on for water like this. Use until release that. Other way cake will release. So if you carry, anyway they hang your hair, just sit down there like this. If there's a band on it, hang out for your nail or whatever they hang your hair put. Now you call your carry your children for under bed. Hello. We get factory, we get wiggy, we're doing a factory now. Direct for factory. We get the factory, we get the wiggy. So anyone where you want, like this one in a factory wig, come direct for factory. See how so it come. You see how. You don't stop her.
Please like and share, like and share, like and share.
Like and share for the boss lady, for the knicker woman, for the slave queen, for the slim leg. Like and share for me. Okay, what you say now? This one different from that. Okay, which color I wear?
Black.
Okay, that's the black I wear. Oh, sorry. Okay. See, and I will wig her, put frontal. See, they see a dark brown piano. So na piano, I mean a dark brown.
Brown.
I know wear my glasses, so I say dark brown. Yeah.
Please write on WhatsApp. She's going to give you the price. Write on WhatsApp there, please.
So na dark brown. See, and I look way for same hair. So the black thing, and this one wears man.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why the dark. You see the natural black. This one is the dark brown. Wet time, wet time, wet time. See how you wet time. They wet time. They use your hand like this. They do. Just they use your hand, or use that big comb. Take comb and not brush you. You understand? What that big comb? Are you seeing it? Well, open inside like this. Open and do it. Just carry comb open like this. They see they see the way they pass and so see just carry comb like they see use this kind of open comb. Any comb, any color you anyone will just find it open like this. Don't use that. You don't see how the coils will come out more. You see
oh, but you write on WhatsApp. She's going to give you the price here.
Are you seeing me? Are you seeing the color dark brown? So look good, my baby girl, my loving baby girl, the slave queen.
Like and share, like and share, like and share.
Just snap her. Sit down, sit down. See a 20% discount to Easter sales, yes. One straight, you buy 3 or 4, 100K, but you want buy 120, see, and the product is there. Direct from the source. Direct from the source. Are you going for bouncy? Are you going for this bouncy and now?
Jessica Love, thank you for sharing. God bless you.
Thank you, darling. God bless you. See, if you buy this kind of bounce, see how they come out. If you like come out from today, go to generate next year, see how you go to bounce. Yeah. All bounce. Now, here what you for see now. The boss lady, You dey see am, if you do one center, if you do one side, if you do one C cut. Your choice. Your choice. Not fear the hair. Come on, comb the bangs. Come on, see am. Come on, you dey see am. Come on, make it give you vibes. See am, come on out. Come on, comb the wig. Comb the lovely hair from hairward balls. See am. You dey see am. You don't snap her. Oh yeah now.
Yeah, any color of bun straight, the short one, not the long one.
When I show the bun straight, see me wear bun.
No, you about the sales, so next she dey ask.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. We get black and gold for the particular hair.
The sales, is it for audio or just
yes,
that particular?
That particular one get the price, but
okay.
other hair we get there's sales other hair.
Okay, ma.
That one now, see, make you understand. Give me one of the hair, may I show them. That one are direct, factory from factory. Not be one direct from factory, may I make you understand. Now, let me see if you come back and finish. Because they say hair word, don't tell me no. I not be a hair vendor, we don't know himself. Pull her out. See on the direct from factory, but it's luxury. See on 100%. See on direct from factory. They see on direct from factory. If you buy 5. You buy 3, I'll give for 100K. But if you want to buy one, it's 120. So maybe at the end, I visit one kind for you. As me, and you take loss, you understand? You get some gold and black. Are you saying it? Yeah. 100%, 5 years guarantee. They say, if you want to make a bob bamboo, if you don't want to make a bob bamboo, tell me how you take one time. Are you saying it? Yeah. They say, see Kim K part, see Kim K. Now luxury or nothing. Yes. So this one is direct from factory. When they say what? Hey, I need to talk more. And if you buy hair for me, you have any issue with it, I beg, tell me. I be vendor way balance. I don't be vendor way when they say, hey, now buy so fucking what? No, who does that? For my customer, for all my double customer, I can't challenge them. Who bought the person? Now they make you grow now. So I from my darling. I always say,
we send it through DHN. We will send it through DHN.
If you have, you see the car they go supplement. If you have anybody they bring loads for you. For Sapomba Road now they carry load well. You see the person go that side. So anyhow you take one time. I want my sister want come carry the hair. You want can go meet them. They want carry load come give me. I bet drop out on Sapomba Road though. Anyhow you take one time. DHL 3 to 4 days. You get some. So we'll post it on Monday. By Thursday, Friday, say, I don't receive my hair. When I go party, one way I go. Yes. As far as we do on Monday, by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you don't get your hair. Yes.
Yes. There's discount for blonde bun straight. Blonde.
Yes, discount.
Yes.
So are you going for this one? Green mixed with black.
We do not know the fixed price the DHM people will carry it, so we need to take the hair to DHM.
DHM get different price, depends on what you carry go. If you carry 5 go, carry 6 go, carry 1 go, now different price. So don't let that one bother you. The price na small money. Okay, that one na small money.
Okay, you need the gold, no problem. Just pay your money. You will keep the gold for you. How can someone pin? Just write my boss on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is there. So write her, she will send you your account number. You guys are good to go.
Good to go. The next thing you see your hair for your doorstep. Paka, your hair don't arrive. Pick it up, you just have to drop out for your post, your doorstep. Man, which color be this one?
Man, this is Gaju color. Eh? Gaju color. Gaju.
Hey God, they see nail will get for everyone. Hey God. Jesus. Yes, nah. Everyone. That's the view of this. Tell me what's your. Are you there? See color, see bun face. You don't see this kind of bun face. This is not your regular bun face.
Yes, if you want the sales on bundle as well, we will give it to you. We will also give it to you.
Anyhow, you take one time. But that particular one is that one is factory wig. But see color they cry now. See color they trend. Oh God. Jesus. Are you there? I bet show them the color. What do they see now? Show them. Show my people. All my lovers. All my customers. Wait. Gallant. See color. You don't get this type of. You don't get that. This is not your regular color. It's not your regular hair. Come on. See. Who they breathe? Who they breathe? Do they see wig? Do they see hair? Hair by hair what? Hair from hair what? Hair wig by hair what? Ready for people. See her, see brush. See her now. See lost with the trend. Do they see her? No stopping, no go.
Please, you need to write on WhatsApp. She can't tell you the price here. Our WhatsApp number is pinned here.
Nepa oh, more like fast oh. Quickly up for the AC. Go up to the summer. Sorry. Favor. Oh yeah, man, I change your for up here. Now so they say and Nepa and Nigeria so they be. So you must explain all this kind of thing. Hello, good change over now. Are they on the gen? Yes, now. Please like and share.
Sandra,
ready for pickup.
Sandra, please, you cannot be telling you the price one by one. There is the reason.
Okay.
There is the reason our WhatsApp number is here. So screenshot the one you want. Screenshot the one you want. Send it to her. Then both of you will discuss the price there.
That's so it is. You can't begin to negotiate price because they affect the live video. And as you do live, just they send and they go my WhatsApp. Message as they do like now message. I they see all the message I hear and here. Message you enter. Yeah, when I'm done, yes, you enter the next step. See color they trend for hair work. Born straight baby. See color. Listen. Are you seeing this? You don't snap her.
Yes, any hair you pick, we have sales on it. Any hairs.
Yes, you have sales. Easter sales, yes. The end of April, you have sales. You don't snap her. Hey, my area, sit back. See hair now, see test drop. You don't get this kind of color.
That bring a compass to say one thing again. The color. Yes.
On that part for me. Are you there? As they come and make one say, oh, farm. You need them. The last one. Then as they come and let them say, oh, farm. See
32 inches. This is 32 inches.
Tell her the color.
Kaju color is kaju color.
Are you hearing him? Now I want it for the sian. Are you there? So let's go. This one is full frontal natural black. Are you going for the full frontal? See baby girl now, the queen mother now. See full frontal, they see her. Full frontal bone space. Are you there? Without snapper. Full frontal bone space, yeah. 30 inches. They see her. 30 inches, full frontal bone space. Are you there? They see her. Without snapper. Full frontal bone space. See the front now, customized. Yes, girl, looking good is the business. This full frontal, if you do on side part, center part, all back, silk up, fit pack and one here. So go drop for your back. Now your choice, how you still want your styling. Carry go, glueless, not glueless. You don't need glue, not glueless. see, I see, I stick to
Yes, we have natural black curling hair. Now you should test that live video.
Yeah. Now you just call me, my lady. When I'm done, go back to the video again. See, and I be all this one. Show them.
No, it's shorts.
Okay,
shorts.
Yes, yeah. Now I taste that. Yes, yes. Are you there? They don't snap her. You don't snap the full frontal bone straight.
My feet just hold her phone, make she see.
Eh? The short one?
Yeah, make she just see.
Okay, which one?
Then be the short one. Then they should have manicured. Flora, this is the natural black curly hair you are asking of.
Yeah. We have different. This one is 14 inches.
Yes, ma'am.
We have 14. We have this one is 16. This one is 18 inches. This one is 16 inches. This one is 14 inches. Where is the 20 inches? Go see her for that side. Let the arm for this too. No, the 20 be this time.
Look at the 20 here. 18.
20, see 18 there.
16.
So see all the length is here. Bring her come. This 18. This one is 18 inches. This is 20 inches. The space not there. Can't go that side. This one is 40 inches center. 5 by 5.
Man, Mrs. Flora, the person may ask of this short one. It's how many days to get to Canada?
Canada will be a week plus.
Okay.
A week. Let's say a week and 2 days. A week and that one far. Europe na 3 to 4 days. You don't enter Europe. Any other, but Canada, a week plus. Yes, I don't want to deceive you. A week plus. No, but us na 3 to 4 days. No, a week plus. You get some. This one is 5 by 5. 14 inches. Are you there? Love be yourself. One can marry. Yes, now. I beg. I didn't talk for English in the head for the Friday come. You know, say we will not go school, so. That's it. We don't go school. Get hard work. You get who they work, they go for them. They can be Francis.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, this life, eh? Are you there? You don't snap and say I'm 5 by 5, 14 inches. Yeah. But it good so they look good though. But I'm supposed to use all that for they do me for normal video. Yes, now. That's why I'm going to do the shake it. You don't snap her. 14 inches now. See leg now, it's straight finish. It's straight finish. No hose, I know they wear hose again. They don't too laugh me say they wear hose. Maybe girls say they can't cover anything. So now people how they wear hose again. But maybe once in a while, people see wear her. For me, I like her well. Now what I just like before, but this one they mock me. So there's nevertheless, not be say because there's a lack about I just want me and just see make they see and say man better. This life no balance, so not when they don't go see for. You are funny. That won't go to Tana.
Okay, we have a lot of bands here. So after the bond straight, we'll go into the bands here, man. We'll go into the bands. So just we have a lot of bands. No, she said more show and bands. So after bond straight now. Yes.
Now I want now. We can not too many here. And I have more say. Are you going for this dark brown? See dark brown. You don't snap her. Are you there? Sit back now. Sit down, ground. You don't get some. Oh yeah. Let's go. See this one now. See ya. You get the way this color take day. What this champagne gold. Come get. See ya. Touch of birthmark here. See ya, blonde. Are you seeing it? You don't get some. What do you want to slay the slave? What do you want to slay the queen? You don't snapper, see color now. Oh, please like and share 20% discount. This start sale till end of April. Now me talk. I know so many of my customers today. I don't go sleep. What day? I never do start sales. You know I don't start now. Start from today till end of April. So you have time to do your Easter sales for hair work. Love do your hair from hair work. Hair work wig is giving. Hair work there is giving. Now me they run now the boss. Gay. They see him. Emphasis the laugh. So this.
No, that the lady sent me the show and band say she wants to wear a nika.
Mama, don't worry. I go show you guys to wear your nika bomb shorts. Now they trend now. I like that name. Sure, I mean, who are people say they give me that name. Gay. Yes, now. Yes, yeah. Oh, where it's all. And this one they win this one. And this is not the waste time for you. Every day they order this silver. Anyone will take beer. The Nika woman is here. They say I'll be 68 years old. Not when Musa no go sing for jungle. The 68 years old woman is here with Nika bomb shorts here and with bomb shorts. He is to be this age and with a dress like this. How they breathe. 68 years old woman is here with bomb shorts. They see her. Hey God! When my brother even hear the things, they say, who they give you all these names so? All this your age? How many years we were your brother can't day? You always senior me, how many years I can't day? My brother will say, how many years you better? I can say, I don't understand though. This name they give you so, you say, well, shall I leave the social media? There is their own talk. Calm down now. And it's over, it's already entire free. Are you seeing me? 68 years old bomb shot woman is here. They don't realize. Now don't see how they see for Sparrow.
Please like and share, guys. We are still on 20% discount sales.
20%
Not till April ending.
Yes,
So grab your copy now. Buy 10 with that shoe too.
Ew! Now see that involve yourself for say better and that deal. What's in that on? Okay, they see her. Don't start to.
Ma, your customer says she has been buying your hair for 12 years.
Hey, you see, hey, be a bad.
He said trusted and tested. I have been buying your hair since 12 years.
12 years, my lady. I bet WhatsApp me. Me, I know you be. God bless you. Now you make me reach this stage. Now you make me grow like this. If not be, I will not be able to. I will not go reach this stage. If I bad, I will not close. Sis. But what see they can't pay. Yes. Because can't forget my back. No. When all people push me, I come begin to no. I think that. Allah will keep. You don't get full frontals here. Look at that. Look at come now. Oh my God. Welcome.
My sister come.
Welcome. What are you too fine? Thank you. I see you everywhere. Thank you. Yes, sir, welcome. Hey, Day. Can't say you so. Wow, welcome. Come on, thank you. I've been with him in the show. You don't snap her. Put front cap. Yeah. Are you going for this? If you want one we not get that root, all they are available. Say what? I don't want one we get that root. One we just say play. Oh, it's a buzz. It's a buzz. I don't wear that. One we get music black.
Thank you for bringing your girlfriend to come and feast her lashes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
No, now one the auntie that should be her friend, now lady.
Okay, lady. Thank you, auntie. Thank you. God bless you.
The lady may say that they buy your hair for 12 years.
12 years. I baby was happening out there. Hey, Amanda. You don't snap and see green. I tell you where the one green music black just now. See another one. See the plain green. Are you seeing the dark roots? Okay, give us sauce. I'm going to try the hair. Man, sauce. Give me here now. Bounce. What I bring bounce for bounce. You don't get this bounce. Are you seeing me? Say as that one fits you. You look good. Thank you. They say my hair too cost, but now lost by the sale. I don't get for Benin where you will see this guy. Oh my God, in the year they say her way to check for people. My hair now lost me. You dey hear I'm a customer, man.